What's good, guys? Brett here from Grandpa's Treasure Shop. Today I'm gonna be showing you how shipping works in TikTok. We're not gonna go do a deep dive, but I'm just gonna try to explain it pretty simply for you. I'm just gonna go to some of my orders. And as you can see, if you can see that, you just hit create label. This part right here is gonna be real easy. You wanna make sure your packaging weight is on point. This is so important. Let's say your package weight is set to like 5 pounds, right? The price for shipping is gonna be outrageous and you're gonna end up losing money on that. I know me shipping out a credit card sticker, I set it to 2 ounces. I mean, realistically, it weighs less than an ounce, but with the packaging and everything, I say 2 ounces to be safe. When it comes to shipping, it's very important to go a little bit over than under. So let's just say your thing, whatever it is, weighs 1.5. I'm always going up to 2 ounces, you know what I mean? So with packaging, might even be around an ounce, but I go up to 2 just to be safe because it doesn't change anything with the shipping price. Product dimensions, I usually just do a standard bubble mailer, 9x6x2. In my experience, I've noticed that 9x6x2, they don't really tell you what's the width, length, height, all that in there. It doesn't really matter. Even if you had it 6x9x2, it's all gonna be the same. That was one thing that took me a while to understand when I first started out. But then of course, USPS is usually the cheapest, and then package value. You can add insurance, but I don't advise doing it on a smaller order. And then it's kind of cut off on the screen, but at the bottom, you just hit buy label. And then once you buy label, you are good to print it. And yeah, it's good to go. I would strongly encourage simply bulk creating your products if you're manufacturing them from scratch, and I would send them to the warehouse. And what I mean by warehouse is TikTok fulfillment. It's actually called FBT, Fulfilled by TikTok. It's where TikTok will handle your fulfillment for you. And this is a lifesaver. You need to think about the future. One day when you have employees, are you gonna have them in the office doing orders? No, hell no. Me, when I think about having employees, my employees will never know what it's like to do orders. I need to have my system. Here I am almost 2 years later, still perfecting things, but I want to have my employees dialed in on FBT. The only thing my employees will ever have to do is create bulk products and send them to the warehouse. And that's it. They won't have to do the orders because TikTok does that. That's all for the shipping. I hope you got some value out of this. It is really easy to do, honestly. I usually do it from the app. You can select bulk orders. I'm gonna give you some little word of advice. I know from my phone, I have an iPhone 15, right? So I know it's not that my phone's old before somebody comments that. When I select, I would say like 20 or more orders in batch printing, it usually will do like this weird error when I try to send it to my shipping label printer, and it gives me an error. It just won't work. So I usually go through, I don't do more than like 10 or 11 at a time when I'm batch printing. So that's just some sauce for you before you have a headache. I would recommend running into it at least once, just so you know I'm not crazy and so you know how much of a nightmare it is. But I definitely wouldn't test it with selecting like 50 orders and then trying to batch print them, because I'm telling you, so many things could go wrong that way. And then you're gonna have to do so much micro crap, like going into TikTok and figuring out what's what. And trust me, you don't want to live that life. My advice for you, send everything to the fulfillment center. If your product is a very small product like mine, like a credit card sticker that doesn't take up much space, guess what? Those fulfillment fees are gonna be ridiculously cheap, because you can fit so many credit card stickers like in the fulfillment center if your product's small like mine is. But yeah, that does it for today's video. Stay tuned for the next episode when I cover how to get sales on TikTok. See you then.